Greetings, fellow Earthlings. This is Limitless Vibrations presenting you with another edition. Outside in nature, where I always like to dwell. On today's video, we are back, making videos again. Even though I haven't been consistent, I'm sorry for that. I do wish to be consistent, but some days I just don't feel like making videos. In today's video, I want to talk about you can't save everyone. You can't save everybody. You can only save yourself. When I say this, I mean that everybody can be saved. Because you gotta save yourself first. Meaning you gotta love yourself first. Meaning you gotta trust yourself first. Meaning you gotta take care of yourself first before you take care of others. And a lot of us, especially superhero light workers, we have this tendency, natural tendency to want to save everybody else. And we still may be taking care of ourselves, and maybe not, but the point is that we can't save everyone. Not everyone is meant to be saved. Because I believe that everyone has their own purpose in this life, their own lessons they have to learn in this life. And I guess not everyone at this particular time is meant to be like us, meant to be superheroes, light workers, guardians of Gaia. Maybe they came into this lifetime and they have some lessons to learn, some karmic imbalances to balance out again. You know? And I guess that maybe they're not meant to flourish in this lifetime. They're not meant to live like they're thriving in this lifetime. Live like us, like the ones who really truly care about this planet. But we can only do our best. We can only do our best, and we can just leave the rest, you know? And many of us, especially myself, getting caught up in this journey. In the beginning time, I just wanted to save everybody. I want to tell everybody about what I learned and what I know and how truly transformational it is, and I still do today. But the difference is, back then I was trying to save everybody. But now I realize that I cannot save everybody. Not meant to. I'm just here to spread my own light. And whoever feels that light, feels the radiance of that light and gets it, understands it, and uses that light that I share with them, that's spectacular. That's amazing. But whoever doesn't at that specific time, that's their choice, that's their free will. They can do whatever they want with it, you know? But I'm not gonna depend my happiness upon the outcome of wanting others to feel my light. I'm just gonna share it either way, regardless of who feels it and who's not, who doesn't feel it. Because this is what feels good for me, and this is what always felt good for me since the beginning. Just sharing my light and sharing my wisdom, my knowledge with the world, and my love that nobody else really has. Everyone on this planet has a unique, rare gem of light within themselves that they share with the world, and they all have something different to offer. I have something to offer, you have something to offer, she has something to offer. And I guess not everyone's gonna resonate with what you're putting out there. So detaching from that outcome of wanting people to really feel and resonate and understand it right away has saved myself from a lot of suffering. And I do wish this world to be more harmonious, more peaceful, more loving, more lightful, more compassionate, more harmonious. I said that. But at the same time, I can only do my best, leave the rest. Otherwise, I may just drain myself out again and again and again like I have done in the past. Always wanting for my family to change and pressuring them. Focusing so much time and energy towards helping my family when they don't even want to be helped. When they're drowning and I'm offering them a lifeguard suit and they're not even picking it up. It's right in front of their eyes. So it's like that. People are in a fire and you have the bucket of water, but people just want to stick in the fire. They want to stay in the fire. They want to stay drowning. They want to stay skating on thin ice and going over the cliff when you're over there helping a hand and they don't even want the hand. So they don't even realize that you're trying to help them. So what I'm trying to say is like, save yourself first. Love yourself first. Take care of yourself first, because you're the most important being in your own reality. How could you save others if you don't save yourself? Take care of yourself if you don't take care of others, you know? So make yourself your number one priority. Prioritize yourself. Prioritize your energy being your number one priority. And focus on being the best source of light that you can be by being yourself. By being in the now. By living as how you want to live. And that will just make a tremendous outcome, a tremendous impact just by doing that, just by being you. Just by being you, you can make more of an impact than trying to change the whole world, going out onto the streets and pressuring others. Just by being you. Just by being you. All you can do is just be you. And that's all you gotta do. All you gotta do is be you. And once you do that, there's nothing like it. If you're being yourself, your genuine, authentic self, others will feel that. Others will see that. And they'll want to know your secrets. Because everyone is taught not to be themselves. Not to be who they want to be. And just by you being that black bird, that white bird, or that black sheep in the entire sheep family, people will start to notice that. People will start to pick that up. Because remember, dark is just as contagious as light, and light is just as contagious as dark. So, makes sense. So the best thing you can do to save others is to save yourself, to be yourself, and to live in the now. To be present. To be present with yourself and do what makes you feel happy. Do what makes you feel loving. Do what makes you feel like you're bursting full of joy. That makes your body tingle. That makes your pineal gland expand. That makes your heart just shiver. Not shiver, sorry. Radiate out of love. And once you do that, you make a huge impact. Huge change within yourself and within the world you want to see. So be the change you wish to see in the world. Save yourself. Be yourself. Live life. Peace, love, light.